going today? Got your driver's license on you today? The reason I stopped you, your tag expired. Showing an expired decal. You got the registration proof insurance? It happens. It happens. What are you carrying a gun for? Put your hands on. Put your hands right there. Put your hands right there. I'll shoot you in the fucking back. 543, code 2, single 54. Don't fucking move. You understand what I'm telling you? Get down on the fucking ground now. Get down on the ground!
He's gonna be at the Walgreens.
Put your hands on your back.
19 and 98.
Don't you move. You understand me?
That's 10-4.
I have a permit for it.
Don't move. Stay right there. Stay on the ground. I don't care if he has a permit or not. Step out of the vehicle. Walk around the front. 543 citizen.
543.
White male detained. You have anything on you?
That's 10-4.
No weapons?
No, I don't have weapons. He has it to steal weapons from him.
Alright, we can back down.
He always carries a gun.
546, move back down.
That's 10-4 by male detained.
Step right over here behind me. Step away from him. Step away from him. Right over there. Step right over there.
That's 10-4 today.
No, it's not. You never told me you had a permit. You come stepping out of the van with me, you reach around behind your back, swing your wallet. Everything's on video. We'll go to court on it. That's fine.
Hey, I've been stand up. Hang on a minute. I've been stopped 3 times before, and they asked me if I had a weapon. I said, yes, sir, I do. And when we went to that damn school, they said, if they don't ask you, don't worry with it.
All right, so you're going to let it pop out from behind your shirt. That's a violation of your permit right there.
How's that?
Because I saw it. That's how. It's not concealed anymore.
Well, you know,
So I'm supposed to know. Yeah.
hey, I've been...
And you come jumping out of the car. You have?
I damn sure did.
Well, you think you'd be a little smarter?
We were the first class to go to that damn... You law enforcement agreement. We were the first class to take state criminal. And then right after that, I think we're going to work. Now, time for the pocket knife. On my bill.
Do I have a seat?
Why do I have to get in here?
That's what
You're
you're
being arrested.
For what?
Displaying a firearm.
I'm not displaying a
You did
firearm.
display a firearm. Have a seat.
What?
Have a seat.
This is ridiculous. Very ridiculous. I did not display no firearm. Hey, can I talk to you a minute?
Yeah, go.
I've been stopped 4 or 5 times, and I told them, and look, I'm on disability retired. I do not have the money for this kind of stuff, partner.
I'm sorry.
I did not banish a weapon or display a weapon. It was under
You
my
violate.
shirt.
You turned around. Your weapon stuck out right at me. That's why I did what I did.
I had my back to you.
Yeah, you had your back to me.
Well,
And I don't know if you got a second weapon or not.
But I know they taught us that. Always look for something else. But I mean, I ain't done nothing wrong. I don't have money to go get me out of jail.
Sir, that's not my problem. You should have told me you had a weapon. You shouldn't have stepped out of the van on me like that.
Hey, when we
And then to
went-
swing your hands behind your back knowing you got a weapon on your side.
When we
Listen,
went
sir,
to
it's all on videotape.
I know
You're more than welcome to review the videotape.
I know that, but when we went to school, we said if they don't ask you if you got a weapon, don't worry. If they ask you, tell them you got a weapon. If they ask you if you don't ask you, then don't worry with it. Because you have a permit. And I did not vanish no weapon.
Then how'd I know you had a weapon? I can see it
I
poking out
seen
from
the
underneath.
tip of the barrel down there sticking
That's
up when I
it,
leaned
sir.
over.
That's it.
But, I mean, you can't see that, you know, most people don't. See, only when I leaned over looking for a thing for my tag.
Now, what happened to your driver's license?
I don't know. I gave it to you. You ain't really gonna take me to jail over this nonsense,
Yes,
are
sir, I
you?
probably am.
Man, I'm asking you. I ain't got the money to get out of jail, and I ain't done nothing wrong. But I follow the law. I do.
No, you didn't. Swing your legs in.
Buddy, it's ridiculous.
He's armed. He didn't tell me he was armed. Bent over, jumped out of the vehicle on me.
Schedule
When we went
1084.
back in the vehicle, I saw the gun poking out from underneath.
1084.
87,
He's
1042.
got a permit, but he never told me he had a permit.
You didn't ask. And we didn't have time. If you would have given me a few more minutes, I said, yeah, I do have a weapon. I mean, I've been through this before. I ain't that great of trouble. I ain't no outlaw.
I didn't say you were, sir.